ninyo. Please, share po ninyo ang ating na show para mas marami po ang matututo. At saka mas marami po siyempre yung magbigay ng opinion. Okay, are you guys ready for trend number 4? Eto na. Nauso din po ito eh. And ako mismo, gusto ko to kasi madami ako guys, ang pinag-usapan natin ay fake freckles. Kasi marami akong freckles. So, nung nauso, natuwa ako kasi, wow, ina ko.
Talaga? Natural ka na?
Kasi sa akin talagang, totoo naman, yung una ko kasing trabaho sa industriya ng trabaho namin ay sports show. Ibig sabihin talagang exposed kami sa araw, mga triathlon, duathlon, mga bike run.
Habang nagaganon ka talaga doon?
Opo, yung ginagawa kong mga storya dati, puro mga exposed talaga sa sun. Dahil gusto kong mabuo yung storya namin at mabilis yung trabaho, I don't mind kung masunog ako. Never ever akong gumamit ng mga sunblock like those. Kaya talagang nag-develop ng matindi yung mga freckles, even sa lips. So, nung nauso to, natuwa ako syempre dahil nga, wow, pasok na ako sa banga. Like those. So, ang sinasabi po dito, ang advantage ng fake freckles, ito yung ikaw mismo yung gagawa or ang makeup artist, nakakabata daw! Huh? At natural ang wow! Doc Jean, mukha ba akong bata?
Lalo ka mukhang bata dahil sa bangs mo pa. Ganyan ako, high school.
Alam mo, you know Raggedy Ann?
No, ma'am.
Di ba may freckles siya? Ganyan din ang buhok niya. Tapos baka bangs, tapos naka-freckles. Ang cute, tas Raggedy Ann.
Naku, grabe. Search ko nga po yan.
Search mo.
Biglang parang gusto kong padagdagan kay Sir Jerry ng freckles. Anyway, so kayo guys, ano yung tingin nyo dito? Yung,
ako ayaw ko yan. Ayaw ko yan kasi anything kasi na parang ink. I don't like ink on the skin, di ba? Yung parang, ano ba yan, permanent?
Or henna, mga ganon?
Meron mga parang
pag yung mga temporary lang naman, pencil, okay. But anything na parang yung henna, no? Henna kasi talaga, some kasi use henna eh. And then henna kasi, mas maraming nag-allergy sa henna actually. Kasi mismo pa dun sa ginagamit sa tattoo. Yes, and it leaves a scar. So, I'd rather not use that kind of ink on your body. So, mas okay lang siguro yung temporary.
Pag makeup, mga gano'n. Nga, Sir Jerry.
You can wash off. Then go to semi-permanent.
For fake freckles, medyo magno-no na ako because nakapagod na. Medyo matagal na rin siya. So, kailangan na muna niya magpahinga. Ang medyo na-bother ako kanina when you said na parang nung nag-start ka talaga na bilad ka para to have, same ba yung freckles sa sunspots?
Sunspots. Actually, ang sunspots are bigger, no? Ang freckles naman are mas maliliit. No? Sunspots.
So parang if you intentionally have magkaroon ka ng freckles by staying out of the sun.
I know,
you'll destroy your skin.
No, yun.
Wag yun. Kasi that can, the sun can also cause photoaging. Mabilis ka tatanda talaga. That's why we advise to put sunscreen talaga.
So yung sa akin, Doc, inborn ba na may freckles ba talaga yung sa akin? O
freckles ka actually.
Freckles.
Baka freckles ka talaga.
Sa tingin ko ma-freckles ka talaga. Baka magkamag-anak kayo ni Chris.
Ganon. Ganon, yeah.
Pero wala
Pero
akong
kasi
string.
Yung mga women with freckles should watch out more paglalabas. Kasi kapag, di ba pag minsan, mas nagagalit yung freckles, sometimes nagiging malasma na, ganyan. So, kaya medyo lumalaki. So, irreversible na din siya, di ba? So,
hirap tanggalin, pero pwede pa naman. But it can come back once they get exposed to the sun.
Yung kwento ko about it, yun nga, hindi ko pinoprotektahan yung skin ko. Kaya parang feeling ko dumami yung freckles or mas tumingkad yung nag-dark lalo.
Yeah, kasi syempre, continuously naman, you're always under the sun when you're shooting, diba? Kaya talaga hindi mag-fade yan completely.
Miss Kring, kayo po, anong opinion mo sa fake?
Actually, my opinion on the fake freckles, I've seen younger people, my nieces, my daughter do that trend in the past, which like you're saying, parang it's out na now, di ba? Medyo. For me, if you're 15 and 16, 14, you're young, and you put those fake freckles, or have natural freckles, and put on like blush, you can still look good. You can pull it off for me, ha. But if you're like maybe 35 and above, or let's say my age, and I put like fake freckles, it might even look like melasma. Which might age me more. Kasi melasma, I think another factor of looking young is having smooth, clear, even skin tone. So the more you have those yun yung mga like when you get older, yung mga black, nakakatanda siya. So, ayun, for me, it's gonna be a no.
Pero you look healthier if your skin is
clear.
Of course, you cannot achieve that 100%.
But at least the more even, the better.
Okay. So sabi kasi dito nga, it will add youth and natural touch.
If you're young. But if you're like older, for me, parang it might, for me, I don't know. Parang let's say,
tama naman, parang it adds, paano ba, youth and character? Yun, diba? Character, more of character.
Yes, it can, yeah.
But if you're in your 40s, 50s, baka nga...
It might look like some kind of skin discoloration in a way. Kasi you look older na you can't naman hide it. So it might look like you have melasma. It will pull you like in an older age bracket pa you look older.
Pag ba tinanggal yung makeup, Miss Kring?
Meron ako, Doktora knows, I have some freckles. Light melasma. Siyempre, I put my concealer. But naglalight na naman siya because of the treatments, diba? Of course, we take care. And sunblock and all that.
Yes, by Dr. Regine.
Yes.
By
diba?
there.
So what do you suggest, Doc, para mag-lighten yung mga ganyan?
Actually, mga pigment lasers that we can use. So we can also moisturize and sunscreen. Then you can also use vitamin C serum in the morning as an added photoprotection from the sun, no? Kasi you have to prevent. Kasi sunscreen will not prevent that 100%. May papasok pa rin UV rays. So sometimes ngayon, nag-a-add na talaga tayo ng
vitamin C pala.
Okay.
Or putting
so let's use vitamin
sunscreen. No? And it also helps in the collagen stimulation, nakakabata. And then pwede rin mga whiteners. But of course, kung like ka rin na-arawan, I don't advise na maglagay kayo ng whiteners.
Oo.
So mas maganda pa rin talaga na...
So no to like those skin whiteners na nakaka-damage na.
Stronger ones, no?
Yeah.
Niacinamide is okay, vitamin C, or something more natural na whiteners. But anyway, nag-release na tayo.
Oo nga.
Yeah.
Oo nga. Pero good point din po yun. Pero good point din. Opo. Okay, so guys, stay or go... Ay, siya mamaya. Sorry. Excited ako. Okay, so ako, freckles. Paano ako? Hindi, sige, i-check mo na lang ako kasi parang dahil nakarelate.
Freckles naman eh.
Fake kasi.
Yours is natural.
For me, kapag if you naturally have it, maganda to
maganda siya pag natural. Kasi natural din sa'yo, di ba?
Opo. Sige, check mo ako. So, may ganun. Si Miss Jean, si Doc Jean.
Pag-carry mo, maganda eh.
So you want fake freckles for other people?
Oo, for other
people. Okay, sige.
For me,
for myself personally, no. But if you're young and you can pull it off, go.
Oh, so half ka.
Yeah.
Half X, half check. And half, mag-gano tayo.
May board po tayo dito kaya tumitingin.
Oo. Tama po. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Sir Jerry. Tama po.
Sige. So, ano yung susunod? Egg yung sa akin.
Ayun, okay.
Yeah.
Ito na. Guys, okay po naman po tayo, no? Doc Jean? Okay naman po yung ano natin, no? Okay. Guys, ito na. Trend number 5. Are you ready? Ito kasi hindi ako familiar dito, pero guys, some of you baka okay po sa inyo to. Eggyosal, hindi po egg pandesal or something, ha? Eggyosal eye makeup. Yan. Ito yung mostly, Sir Jerry, mga Korean, yung eggyosal, di ba po? Ang advantage daw nito, it creates a cute and youthful appearance. Ang disadvantage naman nito ay may not suit all face. Oo nga, hindi po sa lahat ay babagay ito. Sir, pwede po bang i-ano nyo muna? Ano yung eggyosal eye makeup?
Eggyosal eye makeup, basically, ito yung gumagawa sila ng intentional na eye bag.
Oh!
And sa mga Koreans, they created a product that's particular to creating a fake eye bags talaga.
Wow!
Maganda siya kasi sa mga Koreans. Pero for me, ako medyo mag-no na ako dyan because it's not suitable for all of us Filipinos. Mga Filipina beauty. Pero
Hindi suitable
ang effect
because...
niya, ang
Ikaw,
effect,
may natural kang ganun.
Oo, correct.
Oo, diba?
pero, puyat yan.
Magpuyat ka na lang pala.
Pero bagay sa'yo, Sir Jerry, actually. Oo, parang ginuhitan mo.
Sige na, go na ako. Okay na sa akin yan.
Oo nga, tama.
No, for me, when I do makeup kasi din sa clients ko, hindi rin ako yung sobrang clear na puti naman yung under eye. Parang hindi ko rin siya gusto. Mas gusto ko yung may konting eye bags and eyeshadow din sa under the eye, especially sa around the lash line. Pero yung Aegusal kasi na look, very particular kasi siya on a specific eye shape.
Okay.
And, you know, diba, the Koreans, medyo pare-parehas kasi sila ng mata, diba? Unlike tayo mga Filipinos, wala naman tayong distinct na
That's right.
eye shape. Diba? Meron tayong mga
Iba-iba.
chinita, may bilugan, merong Filipino na sakto lang, ganyan. So, hindi siya ganun ka-applicable to everyone.
So, meaning, yung mga Korean eyes babagay. Yung parang chinita na walang ganon yung pilikmata. Mas bagay sa kanya.
Madami na kasing nag-evolve na yan. Dami na mga makeup. And tayo, bilang, we take a lot of inspiration from the K-beauty. Marami tayong pina-follow. So, for the Aegusal, this particularly the eye bags. The eye bag look. Pero yung mga, paano ba, uso ngayon yung mga one and done na eyeshadows. Meaning yung mga one color lang na mga pearlescent na eyeshadow na makikintab. Tapos isang stroke lang na ganyan. Extend mo lang ng konti. Yun. Siguro mas mag-go ako sa messy eyeliner. Yung mga kohl eyeliner na intentionally i-mess mo lang ng konti. Mas dramatic siya than Aegusal kasi hindi siya bagay talaga sa atin.
Tsaka tayo parang mas gusto natin as much as possible.
Malinis yung under the eye, no?
Hindi maitim tapos yung lang makinis, di ba po?
Yes.
Okay. Doc Jean.
Ako, pag si Jerry na nagsalita, parang...
Parang may summary na agad.
Kasi yung Aegusal, ako may itlog dito.
Pwede.
Ang
witty.
G20.
Oo nga, pero yung pronunciation.
Kasi ako, for me, as a dermatologist, of course, we don't try to correct even if you have that natural puffy or ano ba to tawag nito? What do you call that? Eye bags. We don't try to correct it completely. Kasi kung yan naman yung natural facial features. Pero if it's making you look really pagod and mukha kang mas matanda, mas mukhang pagod, then that's when we try to correct it. No? Now, if you're putting this intentionally, yung mga ganon, of course, ayaw ko yun. No? Kasi if you have that already, just put a light makeup. Pero I don't see the need of creating that Aegusal look. No? Unless na you wanna look like a Korean in your album. Kung sa artista, kailangan mo yun. Then, pero for me, I don't see the need na. No? Kasi parang sayang na lang yung budget mo for that. Diba? You can get away without that. No? You still look good.
Or depende sa...
And you don't have to look like a particular race. For me, I believe that. No, if you're Filipina, you can embrace that natural Filipina look, but you can also naman look a little bit Caucasian or a little bit Korean. Okay lang yun. Pero intentionally, just for you na totally ayaw mo na yung facial features mo and you wanna look like a particular race and put that, no? Parang ayaw ko yun.
Actually, that's the good thing about the Filipino makeup Kasi ako, I work a lot with mga fly-in models, like they travel, diba? So every time na nakakausap ko sila, they always say that Filipinos have the best makeup artists.
Yeah,
Kasi
it's true. Actually, it's true.
When they travel to work sa Thailand, or sa Korea, na parang iisa yung look. Pag naupo na sila, yung eyebrows nila nagiging pang-Thai. Ganyan. Tayo, medyo gitna tayo Like, yeah, malakas yung influence natin sa mga K-beauty or Japanese beauty and all. Pero meron din tayo, we still follow kung ano yung, we still analyze the feature of yung mga, sa amin na mga makeup artists yung mga ginagawa namin ng mga celebrities or ano. That's why there's really no like atatak na Filipino makeup, di ba?
Oo nga.
Na?
Totoo, wala. Kasi mas diverse kasi tayo.
Yeah.
Lahi natin.
Yeah.
Espanyol, meron Chinese,
Yeah.
American,
so we don't
yes.
have to look like
A certain
a
thing.
certain
Yeah.
particular race. No?
Yeah, true.
Kaya magagaling talaga makeup artist.
Ay,
Kasi
goodness
natatry
naman.
nyo
I agree with
sa
that.
Chinese, natatry nyo dito sa
Yeah.
Ano?
Yeah,
sa Pilipina beauty.
Even sa Western, mas maganda pa rin mga Filipino makeup artists. Like, if you
Yes.
go to like
Oo.
America, I noticed that. Mas talaga magagaling.
So masasabi natin na flexible ang mga makeup artists natin ng Pilipinas.
Yes,
Wow.
it's true.
Good news naman. Ang galing ng Pinoy. Okay, Miss Kring. Kayo po yung
The-
mga eye bags effect.
Eye bag, agyosal.
Yun,
eye bags.
agyosal,
For me personally, I don't think I can pull it off sa akin. Pero, like I'm saying, if gusto nila i-experiment yung mga kabataan, whatever, yeah. But then like you're saying, it's out na. Hindi na siya uso ngayon di ba? It was like uso like couple of years ago. So, yun. At saka baka magmukha tayong pagod, di ba? Pag tayong gumawa niya, ano kaya, May?
Baka
Baka magmukha tayo,
Oh, pero Miss Kring, wag naman natin parang
Then,
papi na
konti
tayo.
lang.
Ganun,
Pero
oo.
kahit na, di ba? Baka, hindi ka ba natulog? Hindi. So,
3 years ka lang din natutulog. Ako personally, hindi ko pa yan nakikita sa ano. Pero kung ganun yung effect yung katulad ng kay Sir Jerry, ang cute.
Para mapungay.
Oo.
kasi natural.
Parang
Natural sa'yo.
Ay, ganun ba?
Parang
Model.
Oo nga, actually, sa
Natural
sumakto.
siya eh.
Yeah.
Kung ganyan yung kung ganun yung effect ng eggyasal na makeup.
Okay
parang
lang.
cute, oo. Kasi parang nakaka-add nga dun sa ng mata mo.
Magkara siya.
Pero hindi kasi siya mukhang eye bag sa
Like
kanya.
mga
Talaga parang ano
eye bags
siya.
like that.
No, hindi. Hindi siya mukhang eye bag.
Oo.
Yeah.
The good news is, pencil lang naman daw po yan, so pwedeng mabura.
Yes.
Pwede mo siyang, for example, yung look ko ngayon dun sa gagawin kong party, parang may ganun. Pwede mo i-add, tatanggal at saka aalisin. Yun lang mas
Dami mga
okay.
girl group, di ba?
Oo, yan.
Yung mga group, mga ganun. Agahan-ganon sila. Eggyosal
nagaganon
sila.
Oo, gumagana.
Depende rin kung bagay, di ba?
Oo,
Yeah,
yes.
true.
Bagayan din siya. So ako half-half. Paano kaya yun? Half-half po. Kung ganyan, ano yung itsura kay Sir,
Decision ka.
I-try mo
X
kaya.
na lang,
The
X.
best is to try it.
Oo nga.
Kung decision ka.
Yeah.
Oo nga, ako half-half ako dyan. Half-half. Okay. Guys, trend number 6, colorful eyeliners. Yan. Okay, guys. Sige, si Doc muna. Ano pong masasabi
Ito
nyo?
naman siguro atang huli.
Oo,
Ako, ano
dapat
siya?
panghuli siya lahat
Ikaw na
palagi.
huli kaya, para ano.
So,
Ikaw yung mag-book.
si Miss Kring muna para ano,
Kring naman
Colorful.
Para funky.
Well, nung I remember 14 years old yata ako, nagawa ko na yun, yung mga blue. I don't know kung naalala mo yung mga uso noon, di ba? Mga blue, purple, na eyeliner.
tsaka bagay sa'yo, maputi ka.
Oh, but I wouldn't do that now, to be honest. Siyempre, uso
Because?
noon eh. Because hindi na bagay sa akin. Parang, mag-blue ako, magpa-purple Doc.
colorful eyeliner.
Colorful eyeliner. For me, siguro yung color na muted. Like let's say mga light pink or something reddish pink, ganyan pwede. Pero so, kung like say mga blue or like violet or
Green.
For
Blue,
me,
feeling ko. Like yung mga mas deep, mas...
o mga deep colors,
mga deep
pwede.
colors,
Carry
medyo
natin
closer
yan.
to-
Pero yung mga bright, like you're saying,
Yeah.
like yung mga
Electric.
neon
Oh, yes.
or bright electric, I guess that's like, it looks like the 80s. Di ba sila Cyndi Lauper noon, nakaganyan? Alala mo yon mga ano nila? Di ba?
Ako, para sa akin, okay sa akin.
Mm-mm.
Okay sa akin kasi depende kung sa occasion, di ba,
Yeah.
saan mo gagawin.
That's
And
true.
how you wear it and what
Sa
color.
halimbawa, nasa bulol ka.
Yeah.
Sobrang colorful.
Oo nga,
Di ba,
oo.
nagluluksa ka, no? Pero for me, it's okay actually. No? Parang to play around with colors because I like colors, no? Basta bagay and basta tama yung blending.
Oo,
tama.
Bagay sa'yo, tama sa occasions. It's okay for me.
Opo. Ako din okay siya kasi parang mas yung nabubuhay yung mata ko. And like yung blue, parang nagkakaroon ako ng effect na may contact lens ako.
No.
Parang feeling ko lang mga ganun.
I like blue actually.
Yeah.
But not every time. Siguro sa mga special occasion or mga akmang event. So, check ako.
Ako, yes ako. Because life is short.
Biglang ganon. Sabi ko kasi puro.
Yeah.
Biglang life is short.
Try it all.
I think
Na-connect.
this makeup trend is this look is included there because it made a comeback. We've seen it sa runway, New York Fashion Week, Stella McCartney, if I'm not mistaken. So, but that is the mascara, mga ganyan. So, it's really, again, no rules. You can play with it, depende sa mood mo. But when you do it, mas maganda, kunwari, balance. So, wag ka na light eye color na lang, and then a pop of color sa lashes or sa eyeliner. That's it. Wag na too much everything.
Opo. Wag exaggerated.
So, yes ako dyan.
Muted na sa iba.
Nice. Parang dyan tayo nagkasundo lang lahat.
Try that look ang ganda eh. Blue ka dito, shimmery-shimmery.
Yeah.
Nice. O diba, magaling ka din sa makeup, Dr.
Diba?
Regine? Ikaw talaga. Sabi mo, hindi ka mo ano.
Ano tayo sa
Experiment different.
Yes. Okay, eto. Gusto niyo bang mag-stretch muna dito sa next topic natin?
Kaya na natin to.
O, sige na nga. Okay, let's go. Eto guys, importante to. Tsaka kailan lang ay isang batikang model ang naglabas nito. Talagang ako, nagulat ako, na-surprise ako na wow. Ang isang, how do we call her?
She's a Baywatch. She was a famous in Baywatch.
Yes, at saka talagang sa makeup and yung look na. Yes, talagang. Pero nagulat tayo na may nilabas siya na no makeup. As in talagang no makeup. Walang iba po siya, Pamela Anderson. Pamela. Okay. So, eto talagang no makeup. Ang storya pala nito, if that is correct yung namatay pala yung makeup artist niya na matagal na. So, nung namatay yung makeup artist na yon, nag-ano siya na parang advocacy niya na i-encourage din na mag-no makeup na rin. Baka hindi kasi siguro marunong mag-makeup si parang palusot na lang. Hindi, joke lang. Nagpalusot na lang, no? Pero yun ang simula noon. Parang the died of the, Sir Jerry, the death of the makeup of artist.
Yes, I think it's more than the look. It's more of a message na you should be loving yourself more, embracing more your lines, your aging, and there's really nothing wrong with that. When we say kasi no makeup look, meron kasi yun eh. Meron pa rin siyang makeup, pero you just make it seamless. Mas mas mahirap pa nga siya i-achieve. But what Pamela Anderson did is she took it further na talagang skipping talaga the foundation. Diba? So you can do naman like mga concealer na spot. So, pag meron ka mga dark talaga na gusto mo i-cover, yun lang, ganyan. So, yes ako dito because of the message.
Tama. Na parang,
I like it.
Yung parang lumabas ka na...
Kahit medyo nakakawala ng trabaho.
Oo, yes.
Baka mamina kita.
Oo,
pero support natin yan.
Oo,
yes.
Kasi din bukod dun sa storya na yon, gusto niyang patunayan na confident din ang tao o lalo ng babae na lumabas na wala kang makeup. Even powder po ba yon, Sir Jerry? Or mga gloss na lumabas siya?
I think meron yan. May lip balm pa rin yan. And siguro, she's really heavy on skincare para clear pa din and smooth pa rin. It's really about taking care and loving yourself. I think that's the message talaga that she wants to.
Parang sabi niya, not forgetting who you really are.
Yes.
Same din po kaya yung nung si Alicia Keys, 'di ba? Nag-encourage siya ng mga kababaihan na hindi natin kailangang mag-makeup, wear your skin. 'Di ba marami yung mga artist na nagganon?
Yes, pero like, meron yun. Meron pa rin.
Kunyari lang yung wala.
Marami kasi mga tinted moisturizers, mga ganyan. So,
may daya pa rin yun. Kasi yung tinted sunscreen, which looks like a makeup. Which looks like a foundation. So, Anyway, so ako for me, although I really appreciate that advocacy, of course maganda yon kasi people will be taking care more of their skin, diba? So parang mas aalagaan nila and they won't need to use makeup. Pero for me, para sa akin, I still like to use makeup. Kasi for the very reason na if you can enhance yourself better through makeup, whether you have good skin or not, of course, gusto ko yun. Something na hindi naman delikado sa iyong katawan, and yung not forgetting yourself that message is good, but you can express it in some other ways, diba? So, yung being confident of who you really are. Para sa akin kasi, if you're confident of who you really are, it moves you forward to embracing yourself, but also doing something because you love yourself, doing something to improve yourself. And one of the things for me is, for improving myself, is not just skincare, but also looking good. Looking good with how you dress,
present yourself.
with how you present yourself, including the makeup, But I do agree na not always the time naman na naka-makeup, There are days talaga na dapat wala ka, pinapahinga mo yung skin mo, diba? But going out, especially kasi siya kasi, parang, I think for me, she took it to the extreme na merong mga award nights, na mga award, At tapos, hindi siya naka-makeup. Para sa akin, parang, naku, Pamela, you're so pretty, but a little bit of, siguro, foundation, or a little bit of blush and lipsticks, talagang mas may emphasize yung beauty mo. Kasi what we want is to emphasize your natural beauty, and not really to alter it. It's just a makeup. It's not surgery. So, for me, parang sa akin, parang ayoko siya. Although I respect, because of, sabi niya nga, because of the message.
Or baka siguro kung nilabas na yun ng ibang event or occasion.
But for me kasi, if you're not using makeup because of other reasons, like you don't want, because it's for you, you're avoiding toxins, you can find any, parang tinatawag na clean makeup line, yung mga less on toxins, or maingat ka because you have mga allergies and all, I do respect that. Diba? So, case-to-case basis tayo, Depende sa occasion.
Miss Kring.
With Pamela Anderson, with her case, no doubt she's beautiful. With makeup, without makeup. I mean, if you look at her, she's really beautiful. I find her, I see her pictures now at her age. Like you said, she probably took good care of her skin. She probably has good skincare and a good skincare routine and all that. But I feel it depends on the occasion. Like Dr. Jean mentioned, yung naka-gown siya, let's say for our awards night, and then walang makeup. For me, pag naka-gown ka, kailangan may konting color din ang di ba? Pero if you're gonna go out to the grocery and just take your kids to the park or something like that, it's okay na walang makeup, di ba? It's gonna fit the occasion. But it's, for me naman, if she wants to not wear makeup, actually, I admire her because I feel she wants to prove that she's comfortable in her own skin. She has the confidence, and maybe she wants to show that we don't have to keep up with people's pressure, especially being a celebrity, whether in Hollywood or whatever. Yeah, kasi celebrities parang always pressured to look good, pressured to be fit, you know what I mean? So siguro she wants to show that, hey, this is me, and if you take it or leave it, however I look, which is what you're saying, yun ang kanya, so maybe it's one of her advocacies or one of maybe something that she wants to stand up for. Pero for me, basically, if you go on a formal occasion, like if you go to a wedding or go to like kung ninang ka or something, mag-makeup ka naman ng konti. For me if you can, di ba? But if it's like a regular thing na everyday lang, pwedeng no makeup.
A lipstick, di ba? Adding a lip color.
Yeah, something.
But I think she's really taking it to the extreme para talaga
kasi kahit
makeup talaga.
Kasi kahit
kasi pero
yes,
she's wearing that gown and red lips, tapos
pwede. Actually, if you just wear red lips, scary na
diba?
With red lips. It's like her lips are also pale.
So ano to? So 50-50 tayo.
Oo.
Ako 50-50.
Oo, ako din. Ako gusto ko yung naka-makeup kasi nga nakaka-enhance nga ng mukha. Pero nabibilib ako sa mga celebrities or influencers na nag-advocate or nag-encourage na hindi kailangan palaging mag-makeup. Kasi at least kahit, of course, ako, lumalabas ako sa TV, paminsan, pag hindi ka naka-makeup, ay, ano ba yung ganun. Pero, dahil sa mga influencers or celebrities na to, na nag-encourage, na kahit it's okay na hindi mag-makeup, natatanggap na rin natin, we Filipinos, na, oo nga, okay lang naman na hindi naka-makeup yun. Hala, nasa grocery list, okay, ba't naman natin ini-expect na dapat naka-full, siya, mga ganun. So, nakakatulong. So, for me, half-half din. Half-half din, yun.
Yeah, sa Pilipinas, di ba? Pag artista ka, tapos halimbawa, especially, let's say, medyo may, a former, like me, I was an actress back in the day. So, we're older now, lalabas ka, tapos wala kang makeup, mukha kang losyang. Ay, ano na nangyari sa kanya? Kahit naman relax ka, kasi ayaw mo mag-makeup, ano na nangyari kaya? Mukha na siyang losyang. Ano na yan? Alam mo, especially here in the Philippines, I think it's more the chismis culture, whatever.
Celebrity-based masyado.
Kaya kung kilala, sinubukan niyang walang makeup Nung nagpa-makeup sila. Pero later on, nang nakita nila, ay, beauty plus ko, lagyan ko ng makeup.
Diba?
Filter din.
Pero pa rin filter pa rin.
Buti na lang may filter.
Filter, pero
topic na yun pag AI.
Oo nga Pero ang sarap niyang pag-usapan. Pero yun nga, at least po, tayong mga Pilipino, na-appreciate na din natin na it's okay na walang makeup yung iniidolo ninyo. Sometimes na wala siyang makeup, ganyan. Okay, ang gandang pag-usapan. Okay, ako po, half-half ako, yan. Wala po yung password.
What is Y2K makeup?
Parang a lot of inspiration yan from yung mga makeup look nila Britney Spears, nila Christina Aguilera, yung mga pop stars, di ba? Yung parang bright, heavily concealer, yung around the eyes, ganyan. I think medyo no na to. Ako, no. Kasi,
dahil?
It's not doing any good. Diba? Siyempre, gusto mo pa rin ng definition pa din. O parang washed out ganyan masyado. So, mag-no ako dyan.
Madumi itsura. Diba? Yung Y2K? Or ano ba?
Hindi naman like, masyadong washed out.
Yeah, pale.
Washed out.
You look too pale?
Pale, tapos, madaming factors like yung lips, naka-outline, gano'n. Tapos, super dark yung
super dark
like
ganyan.
yung mga supermodel back in the 90s.
Ayoko
yung pasok din dyan yung thin brows.
Ayoko yung itim yung dito mo.
Oo nga.
Ang putla-putla.
Yung pala yung Y2K makeup.
Actually, the whole aesthetic, like pati yung mga outfit, pati yung hair, yung mga Miss Spike na ganyan. Yeah, so, it takes, paano ba? Commitment para mag-work.
Yeah.
Kailangan pati sa attitude mo and the way you carry yourself and with the styling, hair, makeup, para complete. Pero kung makeup lang, parang medyo weird. Diba? Kung medyo light-light na tayo na hair tapos, kailangan mo siya talaga, i-commit mo siya talaga the whole aesthetic. Yes.
Just because Jerry said no, so no na rin ako. Alam niya
No na rin ako.
Oo, ako kasi, ngayon ko lang naintindihan yung Y2K na yan So, hindi ko siya...
Diba yung mga parang butterfly lang yung takip dito sa top. Kanya, tapos yung mga micro, mini. Diba? Tapos yung mga chunky heels and boots. Yan yung mga Y2K. So, that look, mag-work siya talaga if overall.
Oo. Lahat package. Okay.
And even your diba?
So, the inspiration is from what era?
The late 90s to early 2000s. Like mga Paris Hilton. Yeah.
So, mag-party na rin tayo sa disco.
Diba?
Discotheque.
Diba noon? Discotheque pa.
Yun yung next na team ng there sa Christmas party. Y2K. Okay.
So, what's next?
Sige, magno na lang ako. Nag-impluensya yan, no?
Lip oil.
Lip oil, ito yung parang...
Lip oil.
Lip oil, parang nakakain ka ng lechon. Sir
Iba
Jerry,
yun.
ano ba yan?
Oily ng lips mo.
Lip gloss na
Okay,
matindi.
so a lot of the, parang, paano ba? In general, yung mga products and the brands, they also evolved eh. Right now, you see a lot of like, kunwari, with MAC Cosmetics, they came out with a new foundation line that has skincare on it. Or they also released a concealer that has radiance. Same din siya with lip oil. There's also like lip colors that has lip serum. So it hydrates your lips while it's giving you color and making you look presentable and beautiful, diba? So ako, yes ako dyan, only because yun nga, you are beautifying yourself while taking care of yourself. Yes. So that's the whole, for me, that's in general, yung mga products na nag-add ng skincare.
Yun yung lip oil, isa doon.
Dapat, Sir Jerry, huli ka kasi na-influensyahan ng mga sagot namin, no? Kasi ako parang yes ako.
Ano, di ulitin na naman.
Parang yes ako dyan kasi as you age nga, di ba, parang
Dry.
mabawasan daw yung ano mo, yung dryness.
Like
O,
a moisturizer.
parang feeling ko makakatulong yun na ma-enhance.
Para
Tsaka
magkaroon ng
yung naturally
healthy, plump looking
yun, plum looking.
lips.
Nga po.
You can use it naman underneath the makeup.
No, before kasi diba like a lip gloss, pero mga lip gloss na mukha nga siyang glossy, pero when you take it out, you end up with a dry lips. Diba?
So
Now,
this
yung
lip
mga
oil.
lip oil na yan,
Wow.
meron silang mga lip serum na kasama na. So it has the
Nice.
color and the skincare.
That's nice.
Sir
It's
Jerry,
actually nice.
anong magandang brand?
Meron na
Yeah.
favorite sa Dazzle Me. It's really
Talaga?
affordable.
Really?
Yan,
Dazzle
local
Me.
brand yan.
Dazzle Me.
It's a local brand.
Okay.
It's
Baka
from,
maraming affordable.
I think it's from Indonesia or...
May commission ka ba dyan?
Madami, like, kunwari,
Nag-note na yan, no?
yung nag-viral ulit na, was this the one from Clinique? Yung Black Honey. Diba? So, yung parang
May honey
lip
talaga.
balm lang siya, tas it has the right redness lang na kulay na very natural. For Miss Kring, bagay yung pink honey.
Wow.
Clinique din. Mas
Yeah.
Clinic
like,
pink honey. Sige,
Sige,
mamaya lagyan mo sa
honey,
akin. Susulat ko yan.
Hindi siya isang dosena.
Yeah.
Kasi it's not, it's
Clinic
not
pink honey.
Nice.
Sige.
Sulat na.
Okay.
Kasi parang lang, sobrang
Yaya
subtle
order
lang yung
me.
lips mo.
Yeah.
Ako din, Sir Jerry, nag-note na ako.
Order me 1,000.
Yeah.
Oo.
Sir Jerry, sa akin, anong okay na kulay nun?
Lip oil yan, di ba?
Ano siya? Lipstick. Para siyang balm stick na may konting color. Kasi di ba mga lip balm, di ba clear lang.
Okay, may
Ito
color
may konting
siya.
color siya.
That's nice.
Ng clinic to?
Nasa silver siya.
So kahit pang everyday lang, light color
Pang
lang,
everyday,
ganyan.
yes.
Ay, gusto ko yan.
Sobrang
What's the name
nice.
again? Ano pangalan ulit ng
Yes.
blossom?
Ano? Pink
Pink honey.
Oo.
Pink honey.
Sige.
There's a black honey na ginagamit ko rin for mga male. Mga
Wow!
lalaki, oo. Yun sa Dazzle Me, ginagamit ko rin yun sa lalaki.
So,
Yes tayo lahat.
Opo,
Yes.
yes.
Pero may ano lang ako dahil ko. Kasi sinabi mo yung mga makeup na meron ng mga halong mga ingredients to help the skin, no? It's good. Sa akin, gusto ko yon. But it will not replace talaga a good skincare. Kasi sometimes the ingredients there is not enough talaga to penetrate or to really make a difference, lalo na kung talagang malaki talaga yung aayusin sa skin mo. So, it's always advisable pa rin to have your regular skincare regimen, and then you can use on top yung mga makeup na merong mga skincare ingredients para for
Nice.
added benefit.
Tama po.
Yes. Yung
Lalo
mga
na yung sunscreen, because when I hear people say, my makeup naman has sunscreen, that wouldn't be enough. No? Kasi naghahalo, naglalaban yung ingredient ng sunscreen with the ingredient ng makeup
Okay.
to cover your face. So it has to be talaga sunscreen muna underneath and then put your makeup.
Yun. Buti na lang, nagde-dare sunscreen muna ako. Moisturizer, tapos
And
sunblock.
and it also protects you from the ingredients that can potentially be irritating on your skin from the makeup.
Okay.
No? So, lagyan mo muna ng skincare. So, kaya nga may mga
Nice.
sinasabi ka, Jerry, na mga prep, no?
Yes.
Skincare
Important
prep.
yun. Kasi
prior to makeup.
your makeup shouldn't be treated like a band-aid to your skin problems.
Yes.
Diba? It should be your skincare, your skin prep for your mga skin concerns. And then, hindi siya yung pang makeup. Oh, I have big pores. So, gagamit ako ng mga pore minimizing na primer. That's really nice, but you should be investing more on skincare that can minimize your pores rather than makeup that supposed to minimize your pores, because it will just clog your skin and all the more make your pores bigger.
Kaya nga nang minake-upan ako nito, sabi ko, parang fini-facial na niya.
Yes.
Nagbilal, kinis.
Ang sarap.
Ano lang
Yeah.
tayo full facial.
Yeah.
Kailan ng make-up, Jerry?
Oo, imamask ka pa siguro, di ba po?
Para
Okay.
hindi mo kang dry. Diba?
Last na po ba itong lip oil? O
Last night, yes.
hindi na natin,
So,
okay.
ang ating beauty consensus
Yan na. Ito na yung
for
ating,
the makeup trends of 2024.
okay, we'll be right back.
Episode 3 na yan.
Oo nga eh. Grabe tong episode natin. Kuya, okay pa po kayo?
Tagal din natin.
Oo nga, pero ang sarap kasi pag-usapan. Di ba, Miss Karina?
Oo nga, it's fun and we're learning. We're all learning
Oo,
something, di ba,
super.
from it all.
Kasi may
Also,
point of view ng...
Nila, ha?
Yeah,
Opo.
marami magko-comment dyan.
No bashing.
Yeah.
Opo, kanya-kanyang opinion
Yeah.
lamang po ito, ha?
Yeah.
Totoo. Baka may i-quote tayo or something. But anyways, okay. Ay, ang nangyari ay, iisa-isahin natin, di ba? So,
Ano yung top 3 natin ito?
okay, yung top 3 na yes tayong lahat. Tama po. Okay, yun yung, wow, lip oil. Ba? Gusto natin talaga ng
Yeah.
kissable lips. Okay, ang pangalawa ay colorful eyeliners. Okay, number 3 ay no makeup look. Yay! Wow! At yung mga, isasabihin pa ba natin yung iba?
Oh, yung mga
No natin.
Oo.
i-dump na natin for 2025.
Yes, sige. So yung mga kakalimutan na natin at magbagong buhay na tayo or mag-explore ng bago. So no to laminated eyebrows or eyebrows. Tattooed, yun. So,
Particularly more for men.
oo, yes, oo. Yung sa mga men, oo, wag daw po. Tapos yung mga thin eyebrows, no? So, at saka yun, no po yun. Tsaka yung mga fake freckles. So, pasunay yung mga yan. Yung aegyosal or agyosal. Yun, at saka yung Y2K. Oh, wow, ang dami. Pero, yung natin kasi, yung yes, yung lip oil, color, parang ang safe ng mga
Oo
natin.
nga,
Ibig sabihin, lahat tayong apat, hindi tayo masyadong harsh sa ating mga skin. Because we would like to enhance lang naman ng pero gusto pa rin naman natin ng makeup. But at the same time, we want to take care of our skin. Siguro,
Let's make a rundown of what,
opo, yun.
what to look forward to.
To
Oo.
2025.
Makeup trends for
Yes.
2025, Jerry.
Tama.
Siguro important i-bring up natin yung Pantone natin this year, diba? It's the Choco Mousse. So I think there will be like a prediction.
Wow.
Yeah. Yeah.
Fearless
Nice
for
one.
Yeah.
that.
Yeah.
Jerry.
Nice.
There will be, the monochromatic look na Choco Mousse.
Oh.
We'll see it around this year. So, yun, and ano ba, mga...
I think, papasok dito yung more brands that sinasabing clean makeup.
clean
No,
makeup.
yung
Yes.
mga toxic ingredients like phthalates, parabens, yung mga more of natural colors, no, using that. I
Tama.
think, unti-unti mas nagkakaroon ng awareness dito sa safety ng ginagamit natin mga products. Am I right? Kasi
Yes.
parang nagiging na yan,
Yeah.
popular no?
And a lot of, and the local brands na mga lumalabas.
Dami na.
Sobrang
Ang dami.
gagaling
Actually,
ng
ang
mga
dami.
Pilipino.
Ang dami, yes.
Yes.
Ang ganda.
So,
diba?
I think mamamayagpag pa yan this
Wow.
year.
Made in
Shout
the
out
Philippines.
to our
Local
Get Ready
brands.
With
Sino mga
Me,
friends.
ACNCO, BLK,
Oo,
Strokes, magagaling yung mga quality like Hangout this year medyo mas ano na tayo i-export na natin yung mga yun.
Ikaw ba kayo as makeup artist more of local or you're still using the
My makeup kit right now
imported,
is a mix of
Local and imported.
local and imported. Yes.
Mas mura pa.
Nice. Galing. That's good news
And
naman.
then anything else like for the Pantone and how about for mga styles of makeup, not just to call.
Ano ba? Like, kunwari, yung mga lips na outlined, di ba yung
Sobrang
medyo feeling ko mamamahinga na yan. Okay pa din yung medyo pouty but mas diffused na. Hindi na sharp line, ganyan. So, that's still a Korean
Influence.
Yung parang light yung edges and then on the center mas colorful. Yan.
Nakakabata.
Medyo obsessed din ako sa ganyan.
Yung yung eyebrows, yung full and thick, wala na yon, no? Parang pawala na. For 2025.
Ako yung medyo sakto na lang.
Hindi yung sobrang heavy.
Oo, yung mga, ano tawag doon, yung
bushy.
Bushy
ayun,
eyebrows.
bushy. Ayun, ako.
Eyelashes
bushy.
or eyebrows?
Manipis na mas natural.
Oo. Ito.
How about liners?
Oo. And pilik mata.
Eyeliners, yes. Using na lang yung mga kohl na ini-extend ng konti.
Yung dito na lang sa mga gilid.
Yes, hindi na yung sharp.
Yeah, kasi before yung mga liquid na ganyan.
The eyeliner underneath, hindi na konti na lang sa gilid.
Konti na lang.
Okay.
Which is easier to do
remove.
pa nga.
Oo nga, correct.
Sobra naman na.
Nice.
O, diba? Ang daming things to remember.
Correct.
Marami. Like, like what I said, trends, they come and go every week, may bago. It's all about what suits you and what makes you happy.
Yes, tama.
What makes you
At the
feel
end of
good.
the day, that's
what makes you
right po.
happy. That's
Oo.
right.
Sir Jerry, baka meron kang gusto nga i-invite. Baka may guesting ka o kaya your social media accounts.
Follow me on my socials, Jerry Penaso. Ipa-flash naman natin.
Yes.
So, yun lang po.
Spring has her
I
own
do
YouTube.
bridals as well and
Yes.
Bridal.
Lahat ng
Nice,
okasyon.
yeah.
Tama po. Yay! Guys, follow niyo po si Sir Jerry, ha? Opo.
Yay.
Yes, Miss Kring!
Yes, I really enjoyed. I learned so much. No, of course, it's a fun discussion about makeup. It's a girl thing, so we all love makeup. And I learned, of course, from all of you and from Jerry. So yeah, I'm gonna keep those tips in mind when I'm gonna makeup ako.
Tama po.
YouTube channel.
Yeah.
I have a YouTube channel, and I also have my Facebook. I have 2 Facebooks, one, and I also have my TikTok and my Instagram.
Wow! O, pwede kayong makitiktok ha kay Miss Kring, ha? Meron kayong mga, guesting. Ay, may phone-in question.
Guesting ito, dito pala.
Regular yan.
Minsan, but pag hindi ako busy. Pero parang after the pandemic, parang nakafocus ako sa mga bata.
Wow, nice naman.
Yes.
Doc Jean, baka may gusto po kayong
Siyempre, watch out for Beauty Consensus. Ang dami-dami natin pang pag-uusapan. Ngayon, makeup pa lang to ha. Ang dami na, no? Ang lalim na.
Correct.
No? Paano pa pag susunod? Skincare.
Tama
We'll be inviting also doctors, colleagues in the wellness industry. No? We'll be tackling mga industry issues. Yung mga talagang tinatanong nyo, ano ba talaga ito? Effective ba ito? Ganyan. Ang dami natin pag-uusapan. So,
at lahat yun, makukuha niyo po ng libre.
Libre. No? So we'll be talagang getting opinions from different people, experts and enthusiasts in the beauty industry. So stay tuned at manood kayo ng Beauty Consensus. Follow us.
Yes. At syempre kung meron po kayong gustong mga topic na gustong mapag-usapan or mga itatanong po kay Dr. Jean, pwede po kayong mag-message. And we encourage you po again guys na yun kung ano po yung gusto nyo mapag-usapan po, ha? Ako po, please follow me at my social media accounts at May Bautista, Maey Bautista. Tapos manood na din po kayo ng tuwing linggo, 7:15 po ng gabi. Walang matigas na pulis sa matanik na misis. Meron din po akong Kapuso Artist ng Bayan. At saka, afternoon na teleserye po, yung Prinsesa ng City Jail yun. So guys, naku sana po i-follow niyo po itong Facebook account ng Dare. Tapos soon sa YouTube din po at saka sa ibang platform, media platforms. And then please share po yung topic na ito at para po mas marami po yung mag-follow at saka makarinig ng mga opinions, okay? At sana po nag-enjoy po kayo beauty tips po ito. Again, thank you so much for being part of this first show po ito, di ba, Doc Jean?
Yeah.
Grabe.
First, second, and third na to.
Oh.
Yeah.
And congratulations, syempre, Dr. Jean. Opo, at follow niyo din po,
Congrats, Doc. Congrats,
Ganda ng
Doc.
set.
Yeah, nice. I
correct.
love it. It's so nice.
Thank you for inviting us. Maraming
Yes.
salamat.
We wouldn't be able to
Yeah, we had a
do this
good
without
time,
you
Doc.
guys.
Oo, connect, Doc. Thank you so
Thank you sa ating
much.
expert and sa ating
Yes.
yes, and of course, me.
Opo, thank you guys.
Thank
Please
you.
follow nyo din po yung account ng Dare, D-A-R-E by Dr. Regina po. Para kung meron po kayong gusto ding i-consult at saka yung mga, mga skin problems or mga kung ano man, huwag lang pong pera ang problema, ha? Joke lang. Happy New Year, everyone!
Happy New Year!
Happy
Thank
New
you,
Year!
Sir Jerry, Miss Kring.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Maraming salamat po. Yay!
Thank you.